Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl eToro, aka ICU Glam, and we are back. Back this time with an Another Glam Chat. I figured it would be nice for us to continue our conversation on being women and finding our space in the world as women and becoming our most feminine selves. So today I'm going to give you guys a list of beauty tips, habits, and practices that I think every woman should develop and have in her routine. Things that we should start while we're young. Even if you're not young, start whenever, start now. Starting now is better than starting never. Things that I think that will help us stay beautiful and be beautiful and keep beautiful inside out, outside in, all the way around, all our lives. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. You guys already know that subscribing to my channel really helps your girl out and lets me know that y'all like what y'all seeing. And without further ado, tell your mother, your father, your baby sister, tell your cousins, tell everybody to pull up because we finna get it cracking. Alright, let's roll. So my real inspiration for this video came from my love and passion for ICU Glam Cosmetics. Whenever I develop products for ICU Glam Cosmetics, I always think about the things that I feel like women need, even men too, need to be beautiful and stay beautiful. Like, what is the core reason why we're using this product, or what is the core reason why I need to develop this product? So in thinking of those things, I've kind of come up with a list of like beauty habits and routines that I think that are crucial to life, crucial to being a beautiful. First up, sunscreen. I know we've beat this one to a pulp, but really wearing sunscreen every single day is so important. And I know you guys have probably gotten this through, but I want to make sure you guys fully understand what is meant when we say sunscreen. So I mentioned in my last video that a lot of times we get so caught up in just skincare being the skin on our face and forget about the rest of our body. You should be applying sunscreen every single day. Very importantly, I feel like as we age and as we get older, sun really does play a part in our aging, right? And one place that really is a tell-all when it comes to your age is your hands. So making sure that you apply sunscreen to your hands every day is crucial. Like when you put it on your face, put it on your hands. And your hands are tricky because we wash our hands so much, especially now with the state of the world. We're washing our hands even more. We're putting sanitizer on even more. If you're going to be out, you're going to be exposed, get your hands, get the tops of your feet too. While you get the top, make sure you get the tops of your feet too. It's summertime, wearing sandals, we're being cute, you know, but make sure you're applying sunscreen head to toe. Every part of your skin will thank you. Beauty tip number 2. It's super important that we start from a young age to develop proper facial care and facial routines. When I say face, I mean from here all the way down to here. So we're talking neck, we're talking all of this. It's so important that we treat that skin super carefully, and I cannot stress that enough. So I started getting facials and I started my whole facial routines as part of my maintenance when I was in college. I think it was my junior year of college is when I found my current esthetician, Cynthia, that I've been going to since, and it has been probably single-handedly one of the most crucial and life-changing things that I've done for myself, because not only has it helped me to protect my skin and kind of grow with my skin and learn my skin and know my skin and know how to treat my skin and how best to take care of my skin, but it's also really helped me get that core idea of the importance of maintaining yourself, which is why I feel so important to instill these kind of things in my younger cousins from a young age. When you start teaching kids and you start even with yourself, teaching yourself the importance of grooming and all those things from a young age, they become natural practice, they become natural habits. And it's so important to have those things because grooming, take away femininity and everything that we're talking about here. Grooming and self-care in the sense of like personal care, body care, and all of that is very important to being a human being. So I'm stressing the importance of developing a facial care routine from young to get at that core message of the importance of having and developing and taking pride in your self-grooming and your self-care. Number 3, you need to develop and manage a proper sleeping routine, okay? This is one that I've battled with personally because I feel like we live in a world that teaches us that team no sleep, you gotta hustle, you gotta grind, and I am 100% about that life. But I found that my life drastically improved when I developed a proper sleeping routine, okay? They don't tell you to get 8 hours of sleep for no reason. It's crucial to self-care, it's crucial to your physical body, the state of your body, to sleep well. We're human beings. We are made to sleep, okay? We work, and it comes to a point in time when you need to sleep. Our bodies need that downtime to rest, rejuvenate, turn things around, and just get you ready to be your best self. Please develop a proper sleeping habit now. Number 4, it's super important for you to develop a habit of grooming your nails and your toes regularly. Whether that means you go to the salon or the spa, or you do it at home. Nail care, foot care is so important. I don't know about you guys, but when I meet people, one of the first things I look at are their hands. I look at their nails. You don't need to have 10-inch, 30-inch nails with popping crazy designs. I know I wear my nails long. That's just my personal thing. That's just my personal style. But as long as your nails are groomed, they don't even need to be painted. They don't need to be colored. If you just put a clear gloss on it, your cuticles are groomed, you're filed, you're shaped, you're buffed. We need that, because your nails really do tell a lot of your story. And I tell people this all the time. It's your nails and your shoes that tell your story. No. Your nails, your shoes, your smile, and your hair really can tell your full story. And I tell people all the time, take care of your nails, because people will look at your nails, and if your nails are off, it kind of puts people off, you know, because your hands, you use them for so much. Your hands are so personal. Your hands are so, if you're not touching yourself, you're touching somebody else, you're touching something that somebody else will touch. Like, people want to know that you take pride in the cleanliness of your hands and the grooming of your hands. So please develop those routines from young. It goes back to that core message of us developing that self-pride and that pride in like grooming ourselves, and knowing that, okay, as part of taking care of myself and being my best self, I'm going to present myself well with groomed fingernails, groomed toenails. However you do it, get it done. It's so important to being beautiful. Number 5, it's even crazy that I need to mention this, but I feel like I really do need to mention this. Moisturizing every single day, every single part of your body. No matter who you are, no matter where you're from, you need to moisturize. Your skin actually needs the moisturization. Like, you need to give your skin the moisture that it loses throughout the day, the moisture that you wash off in the shower, because you're showering every single day. You need to give your skin back that moisture. Moisturize head to toe. Facial moisturizers, your neck, shoulders, all your body. Ladies, your breasts need some moisturization. Your entire leg needs some moisturization. Moisturize. Your back, moisturize. Every ounce and every inch of your body needs to be moisturized every single day. I personally like to moisturize twice a day because I do have psoriasis, so my skin tends to get a little bit drier, so I like to pay more attention to my skin. But moisturize, please. And along the lines with moisturizing comes my next tip that we need to develop in order to be our most beautiful selves, okay? Start that moisturization process in the shower. And I know this sounds crazy, but a lot of people don't know that the best time for you to moisturize your skin is when your skin is still damp. So when you come out of the shower, you never want to fully dry your body with a towel and let your body air dry to the point where it's super dry and then apply your moisturizer. You always want to moisturize while your skin is still damp, okay? That allows for your skin to absorb the moisture, that allows for your skin to really take in all the benefits and lock in all the benefits of your moisturizer, because water really is nature's gift to us. For me personally, I start my moisturizing routine in the shower, and I'm super excited to release our ICU Glam body products, because my first line of products is really going to focus on the importance of in-shower nourishment for our skin. I really do think that the key to having beautiful, luscious, rejuvenated skin all our lives is moisturizing, and moisturizing while in the shower will make a huge difference. So if you ever feel like your moisturizing routine, or no matter how much lotion you apply, you just don't really feel or look moisturized, try starting in the shower, and I promise you, you might see a little bit of a difference. And last but not least, my final tip for you, a beauty habit, a beauty routine that you need to start now, is taking your vitamins. You need your vitamins, okay? It is so important, and it's something that I too struggle with. So if you struggle, do not feel like you are on your own, because I'm there with you. Vitamins are really important, because unless you're really mindful of what you're eating all day, every day, 9 times out of 10, we don't get the full nutrients and minerals and vitamins that our bodies need to function, right? Vitamins are perfect because they aid us in taking everything that we need. So it's crucial for us to kind of help our bodies in that way and just take the vitamins, okay? Take the vitamins. I take a multivitamin, I take a probiotic, I take a prebiotic. Take what you like. I know some people, I've seen some videos on YouTube where people are taking like 30 vitamins a day. Some people are taking 1,000 vitamins a day. If you know anything about vitamins in the body, you know that our bodies have this threshold where, say our bodies only need 10 milligrams of vitamin D a day, right? If you take that 10 and you take 30 more and you take 50 more, your body's gonna excrete and get rid of the excess past the 10. Our bodies will only take and absorb what they need and flush out the rest. So there's really no point in overdoing it on vitamins because your body really won't do anything with the excess. It's just gonna be waste. So do a little bit of research and see what things you wanna target for your body. I feel like everyone's vitamin regimen is different because my needs may be different from yours. Look into it, do some research before you start taking any vitamins. Starting vitamins now while we're young is so important to regulating and keeping our bodies functioning at tip-top shape so that as we get older, we're not trying to fix things that may be broken, we're just maintaining a proper healthy body. That concludes my list of beauty habits, tips, and routines and things that you need to incorporate starting today. So if you haven't already, make sure you go out and start your journey today to being your most beautiful self. I hope this video helped. I hope you guys love it. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.